stuck on your face. This is from Emily. Mwah. What else we got? You want to see? Oh, look. Doop, doop. That's so cute. Oh, and look, a ducky duck. Ready? Quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Quack, quack, mwah, mwah. What else we got here? Wow, look. Look at that. Oh, that is too cool.
That's really neat. I like.
Wow, even look, honey. Look at that. Wow. And we've got, aww.
Yeah, pick another one. Since the movie makes him cry on the other one.
This is so awesome. Oh, and look. More. Bah. Bah. And oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. Mwah. Aw. Oh, and look, he's got car sippy cups. See your sippy cups? Wow. And then, aww, I like bananas. That's too cute. And it's 18 months. It'll fit you right now, sweetie pie. He can wear this for his birthday party.
Very
What do you
nice.
think?
Yep.
Yeah. Aww.
Very
This
nice.
will be nice and cool, I think, for his birthday party. Yay!
Thank you, Emily.
And
Thanks.
thank you very much for my coffee and my coffee mug.
Yay. Bye.